So children, let us compare the radii of circular path for different charged particles. We have seen when the charged particles move perpendicular to magnetic field, it will follow a circular path. And we have got the expression for radius, that is r is equal to mv divided by qb. That is, the radius is directly proportional to mass and velocity, and it is inversely proportional to charge and magnetic field. That is, for particles having different masses, the radius also will be different. Let us compare it for proton, deuteron and alpha particles. Here you can see three particles, proton, deuteron and alpha particle. And magnetic field is there along x direction. And all these three particles are entering the magnetic field in perpendicular direction. So all these particles will follow a circular path like this. Let us compare the radius of all the three charged particles. If you take proton, a proton means a single proton. Then deuteron means it consists of a proton and a neutron. And alpha particle is equivalent to a helium nucleus. Therefore, it consists of two protons and two neutrons. Okay. Let us call the mass of a single proton as m. Therefore, the mass of proton is m. Therefore, it is consists of only one proton. Here, let us find out the mass of deuteron. The mass of a proton is m. Both proton and neutron are having same masses, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. That is, mass of proton and mass of neutron are same. Therefore, a single neutron is having the same mass m. Therefore, total mass of deuteron is 2m. Here, two protons are having masses 2m. Two neutrons are having masses again 2m. Because I told you, proton and a neutron both are having same masses. And we called mass of a proton as m. Therefore, mass of two protons will be 2m. Again, mass of two neutrons will be 2m. Therefore, total mass of alpha particle will be 2m plus 2m is equal to 4m. Therefore, mass of proton is equal to m. Mass of deuteron is equal to 2m. And mass of alpha particle is equal to 4m. Next, let us find charge for each particle. For proton, deuteron, alpha particle. It consists of one proton and one neutron, two protons, two neutrons. Charge of a proton is plus E. Here, charge of one proton is plus E. Charge of neutron 0. Therefore, total charge is plus E. Here, charge of two protons plus 2E. It is charge of neutron 0. Therefore, total charge of alpha particles plus 2E. Therefore, charge of proton plus E, charge of deuteron plus E, charge of alpha particles plus 2E. Now let us find the radius. For proton, R is equal to mv divided by qb is equal to mv divided by eb. Mass is m, charge is E. For deuteron, r dash is equal to mass is 2m. Suppose all the particles are moving with the same velocity v divided by charge is q is equal to E. We have got the charge of deuterium is equal to E, and all are in the same magnetic field B, equal to what is MB divided by EB. It is radius of proton now. Therefore, we will get 2R. R dash is equal to 2R. Similarly, for alpha particle, R dash is equal to mass is 4m, same velocity v, charge is 2e, magnetic field is B, equal to 2 times mv by eb. What is mv by eb? It is radius of proton, equal to 2r. mv by eb we can call r, that is radius of proton. We will get 2r. That is the radius of circular path for deuterium and alpha particle will be twice as that of the radius of circular path for proton. That is shown in the figure. Both deuterium and alpha particle will be having the same radius. Okay, this is how you have to compare the radius for different charged particles. Now let us case the case of electron and positron. What is a positron? Positron is antiparticle of electron. Antiparticle means it will be having the same charge, same mass and every property of the particle, but having opposite sign. That is, positron means a particle just like electron, but its charge will be opposite to that of electron. Okay, so positron is the antiparticle of electron, and let us consider what will be the radius for these two particles in magnetic field. Both electron and positron both are having same mass and same charge value will be same, but sign only will be different. Electron will be having negative sign and positron will be having positive sign. And here the case you can see, for electron mass is m, charge is minus e, therefore radius will be minus mv by eb. And here again mass is m, charge is plus e, therefore radius will be plus mv by eb. Therefore the magnitude of the radius will be same for these two particles, but the direction they are following will be different. Positron will move in anti-clockwise direction and electron will move in clockwise direction. You can verify this direction using right hand rule. Okay, but both of these particles will be having the same radius.